Come test drive the 2010 Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.